All right, let's talk about every single person's favorite part of the real estate transaction, working with a lender to get your mortgage. Okay, just kidding. But this is a very, very critical step early on in the transaction. And I counsel all of my buyers to start here before they start looking at homes, because ultimately you need to know what your budget is going to be for your home, how much house you can afford, what's going to make sense for your lifestyle, and ultimately what your goals are in terms of purchasing the home. So after you've met with your real estate agent to establish your strategy for moving forward in the buying process, next you're going to want to pick a lender and start working with them to get your pre-approval letter in place. Now, this is a little different than a pre-qualification letter. Pre-qualification is a bit more informal. There's not really as much that goes into it, but a pre-approval letter, when you select a lender, whether that's a bank or a mortgage broker, mortgage company, what they're going to do is go through all of your finances. They'll pull your credit, they'll look at bank statements, they'll look at sources of income, everything you can think of. They're going to ask you for it, and they're going to get a full 360-degree view of your finances to help you understand fully what level of debt you can take on if you're looking to finance a home. So they will give you an accurate portrayal of what you're able to afford and what you're approved for from a financing standpoint. So there are all different types of lenders to work with. Primarily, people will go with credit institutions or banks or mortgage companies, but you can do your research and see what's a good fit for you. And it doesn't even hurt to interview multiple different types of institutions, and your realtor may be able to point you towards some that they've worked with in the past who have been good fits for their clients. But definitely do your own research and see who's a good fit for you, because they're going to be one of your key partners in the process. Once you pick your lender partner, they will start pulling all that information from you. There's usually an online application, but they can also work offline as well. So no matter what your credit score is, you really need to start working with a lender to see what their minimum requirements are, what different types of loan programs they might have that fit your specific need. There's so many options out there, and real estate professionals like your realtor and then your lending team are very creative in terms of finding the right solution that's ultimately going to help you get to where you want to go and help you get the house of your dreams. So get that pre-approval letter in place. Really start to understand what your financial picture is going to look like, and that will help you so much before starting the process of looking at homes. And the faster you can get this done, the faster it's going to be in terms of you jumping in the process fully. And what you want to avoid is finding that home of your dreams, really getting everything done from a home search standpoint, and you find that perfect home, but then not having your pre-approval letter in place. And when you put in an offer on that home, that seller is not going to know that you have the right financial backing or that you have a legitimate offer. The pre-approval really helps with that, and it gives them a firm confidence of, yes, this person qualifies for this home and they are ready to go. So work with your lender, find them right now. If you don't have any ideas for where to start, ask your agent. They'll have some good ideas.